Huh?
Sir, hello. Please help me. I just hurt myself. I hurt my ankle on my
What do you want,
elbow
like?
and ankle.
Yo,
Please help. You're a doctor. Just help me, please.
Doctor, I'm not a doctor,
I'm
like
bleeding. Yeah,
like
you're a
what?
doctor.
No, I'm not doctor. I can help. I can call the ambulance, like.
No, need to call the ambulance.
Why not? Cool.
Help me.
No. I'm not a doctor, like.
The doctor.
No. Okay, I will leave you alone. So if you don't want that, I call the ambulance. Just leave. Oh, he's so crazy. He thinking I'm a doctor. Who told to him like I'm not a doctor? Oh, so crazy this guy.
Hey, doctor. Do you think
You again?
could help me with this problem?
What kind of problem? Like I'm not a doctor. I can help like with like okay. So I see. I will call the ambulance like 112 like
call the ambulance.
no call
Just
like
help me.
help.
No, you can help me.
No. I will. No, I don't will help to you like you crazy. Maybe I need to like see high. Oh. I need to fly. I need to hide. Okay. It's impossible to see me. How you did this? Leave me alone. You crazy. I'm so tired, like I'm not a doctor. You again.
Are you planning to help me? Are you a doctor?
I'm not a doctor. I see it's a problem to you, but it's your problem. But now it's not my problem. I'm not look a doctor. I don't have that doctor robe like.
No, you don't need a rope. You need to help me with the face.
That's one reason that I can help. I can call the ambulance. No, I will not help you because I'm not a doctor. Like if you don't want the ambulance, like just sit and like be patient. So I'm not a doctor. Like just leave me alone. Like no, stay there. Like okay. Like no.
Help me, please.
No, like
Are you going to help me?
no, I'm not wanna help you. Like it's like you should like go to the hospital, but you just chase me. Who do this? Like you're so crazy guy. Like
Look at my knee.
I don't want to look you, and I will not help you because I'm not a doctor.
Help me.
No, like just leave me alone. Like I'm not a doctor. Like no, like no. Like I'm going home. Like no, I'm going home. Like no. Please stop chasing me. Like what?
Pharmacy.
Yeah, it's a pharmacy.
So
like
you can heal me.
Okay, let me help
the
you.
ambulance. I just need some help.
Okay, like stay there. I
Okay.
will help you. Like I will buy some bandage and that's all. Okay?
No.
Oh, crazy. Mama mia. Yeah. Take it this and that. Yeah.
I told you I'm a doctor.
I am not. Oh, I hope it will be help you. Like.
Help me a lot. Thank
Okay,
you.
okay, go home and just recover. Be healthy. Take care, like. Oh, crazy.